What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is obviously featuring a Colourpop Lippie lookbook, and I have been super excited to try out the Colourpop Ellarie collection, and I did not get every single thing. I just got 2 of the matte formulas and 1 of the ultra satin formula, and then I got a gloss. So yeah, so I was excited to try these out. I really love every single color that I got. I feel like a lot of them are similar, even with the additional colors that I featured in this video. I know y'all probably like, dang, she love a burgundy / brown lip, and truth be told, I do. I'm trying to get away from those colors and try different colors. I got nervous when I tried Hennyways because I felt like it was going to be another brown. I'm just like, bruh, I have enough brown lipstick to last me for the next 3-4 years. Seriously though. And actually it turned out into like a berry mauvey brown color, and I have it on right now, but I put Netta on top of it, which is another one of my favorites in the Ellarie collection. So these two together though, yes. So I really like that. Also, quick shout out to Yolanda. You did not see this coming, but I had to shout you out because she is a North Carolina MUA makeup artist in the Greenville area, and I saw her try out the Hennyways color and I was like, yes, I gotta, because I'm usually not with the hype when something comes out. It takes me a while to get into it, or I'm like, you know what, let me just do my research before I just haul off and buy stuff. So yeah, shout out to you, Yolanda. YL Artistry, check her out if you're in the Greenville area. You need that face beat, okay? Oh, okay, no, we're not. A lot of people ask me, you know, do I do makeup? Listen, she is a professional. She does this. So hit her up to get your face beat. You can check out her Instagram account. I will leave it in my description box. And yes, go get your face beat. Like, I love doing makeup, don't get me wrong, and I do it when I have time and I'm able, and I like to beat my face, but I am not a makeup artist, unfortunately. But she is. She has the gift to do it. She's anointed. Check her out. So shout out to you if you're watching this. And yeah, I really love the gloss. I think it's in, wait, hold that thought, in the color Stello, and I'm leaning more towards glosses these days. I don't know if I mentioned that in any of my other videos, but if I didn't, I'm leaning more towards glosses. And yeah, I really like that one. And Colourpop just released a collection of glosses, so I'm probably gonna, you know, go back to the website soon and get me some glosses. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Lippie lookbook. I love every color that I picked out. I got each of mine on sale. They were doing a sale. I don't remember what sale it was, but I got them on sale, okay, because we don't pay full price for makeup. But yeah, they typically run $6 and change for each, but I got a discounted price because I got mine during a sale. And Colourpop is pretty good for doing a 30% off, 20% off, or if you spend 50 you get 20 off or whatever. So usually you just got to look out for them deals, okay? But yeah, so just want to jump up here really quickly to just say that I hope you guys enjoyed the lookbook. Thank you for all of your sweet comments on my previous videos. And yeah, so be sure to check out my previous upload, which was struggles I face as a millennial Christian. I hope that will appeal to you, you know, get to know a little bit more of the personal / spiritual side of me. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out. Of course, I gotta shout my girl out, Hair by Tori, okay? So this is a crochet. These are crochet faux locks. I did not install them, obviously. My god sister, Hair by Tori, installed them for me, and I just purchased the hair. These are the Model Glance Gypsy Wavy Locks in 12 inches. It's in the color OT27. So it's an ombre color. You got the dark root, and then you got like this cute honey blonde color. So I am living for this, okay? Call me Calypso Island girl, okay? So that's my little alter ego. But yeah, I did something a little different. I've had locks before. I've had like blood red, well, not like blood red, well, kind of like blood red burgundy locks before. And before that I had like some blonde ones. They were like even lighter than these. So I've done locks before plenty of times. So yeah, so if you're interested, all my hair details will be listed in the description box. All the colors of the Lippies will be in the description box. How to contact Tori will also be in my description box, and you can go ahead and follow her Instagram account, Hair by Tori, and get your hair laid and slayed. She is in the Greenville area currently for the summer, but she also does hair in the Greensboro area. And if I'm not mistaken, that'll resume in August. So yeah, be sure to check her out, book her and everything like that. She does a ton of different styles. So like I said, just head over to her IG and see what you like and book her, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as always. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.